Today we're at a robotics company, taking a look at how OneMonroe supports their design and manufacturing of automated guided vehicles. AGVs, or automated guided vehicles, are the workhorses of modern logistics. They use advanced guidance systems to move parts and products safely and efficiently.
How's our cable sourcing going?
It's solid. Everything shows up labeled, built to spec, and kitted, so we can drop it right into the build.
How did you land on the right drive wheels for your custom builds?
OneMonroe helped us find a wheel material that holds up well in harsh environments and meets the floor specs.
How did you handle mounting the circuit boards in the new design?
OneMonroe was able to manufacture standoff fasteners that matched our design specs perfectly.
Building AGVs is complex. OneMonroe simplifies it with the power of one single source solution, supplying precision components and engineered support at every stage.